Hello everyone. Today I am going to say you what is a rational number and how to insert few rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So first, what is a rational number? A rational number is a type of number which is in p by q form, where p and q both are integers and q is not equal to 0. If the denominator q is equal to 0, the value is still not defined. For this rational number, we have many examples like 4 by 5, 6 by 3, 5 by 10, etc. All the fractions that we have learned in the smaller classes can be the examples for this rational number. Now we will see how to insert few rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us take one example as insert 6 rational numbers. We have to insert 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Three and 4. 3 can be written as 3 by 1 and 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Because there is no denominator, we wrote by 1. Now the denominators both are equal, so there is no need of taking any LCM. But we don't have 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have to take the first fraction, that is 3 by 1. And multiply it with 10 or any other number. As 10 table easy, I took 10 table. Then it comes 30 by 10. The second fraction is 4 by 1 into 10. For the first fraction, whichever number you took and multiplied, the same number you have to take for the second fraction and multiply, that is 10. Then we will get 40 by 10. Now both the numbers that we got are 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. Now we have 6 rational numbers between those two numbers. So those are 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10 and 36 by 10. So these are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now let us take the second example, that is 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We have to insert 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here in the first example, there is no denominator, so we took 1 as the denominator. Here in the second example, they gave the denominator as 5 in the question itself. But here also the denominators are equal, there is no need of taking any LCM. But there are no 5 rational numbers between those two numbers. So we have to multiply, the same process as we have done before. 3 by 5 into 10 by into 10 is equals to 30 by 50. The same way we have to multiply the second fraction with 10 or any other table your wish. Then we will get 40 by 50. The two numbers are 30 by 50 and 40 by 50. Now we have 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Those are 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50 and 35 by 50. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So the last and the final example is we have to insert 5 rational numbers between 4 by 5 and 6 by 7. For before cases, we have equal denominator, so there is no need of taking any LCM. But in this question, we have different denominators. So we have to first take the LCM of 5 and 7 for both denominators 5 and 7. So the LCM will come as 35. Take the first fraction's denominator and see how many times does it go in 5 table, and multiply that number with numerator. Then we'll get 28 and 7 5s are 35, 5 6 are 30. So the both fractions are 28 by 35 and 30 by 35. Now the denominators are equal, but we don't have 5 rational numbers between 28 and 30, but between those two numbers. So now we have to multiply. Take the first fraction 28 by 35 into 10 by into 10 is equals to 280 by 350. Now the second fraction is 30 by 35. 30 by 35 into 10 by into 10 is equals to 300 by 350. So the both numbers are 280 by 350 and 300 by 350. Now for sure we have 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. So those are 281 by 350, 282 by 350, 283 by 350, 284 by 350 and 285 by 350. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 4 by 5 and 6 by 7. Hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. For more educational information about 9th Maths, keep watching my channel.